This is the Lumberjack XP Series 20 volt cordless multi-tool, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set it up, change the attachments, control the speed, and the many different ways you can use this tool for DIY projects on site or around the workshop. If you've just picked one of these up or you're thinking about getting one, here's a very quick guide on how to get started safely and get the most out of one of these tools. In the box you'll get the multi-tool body, a sanding pad and some sandpaper, the saw blade and scraper blade, as well as this attachable handle which can attach on both sides, and of course the manual. Unless you buy one of the kits, the battery and the charger are sold separately. To fit your attachments, you flip up this quick change lever to release the pressure on this clamping plate. Then line your attachment up with the pins so it sits securely within the notches, and then you can release this lever to attach it. It's also got this helpful little safety mechanism, which means if you accidentally let this go, you can't jam your fingers in there because this bit stops it. You then just need to flick this tab to seat that back against the tool. To change, you do the same thing, releasing that, and then you can lift your blade or your attachment off and then swap it out for the next one. You can fit the attachments straight on or at multiple different angles. Then just slide your 20 volt battery in until it clicks and you're good to go. This dial lets you control the oscillating speed. This ranges from 5,000 all the way up to 19,000 RPM. Start low for more delicate work like sanding or precision cut, and then go higher for materials like wood or cutting plasterboard. This tool is great because of how versatile it is. Here's a few of the most common uses for it. Changing the attachments is quick and easy, so you can go from cutting to sanding in just a few seconds. If you're sanding into a corner, which this is perfect for, if the corner wears out on the sandpaper, you can just remove this, turn it around and replace it, and you've got a fresh corner again. This is Velcro backed and triangular for a reason. When you're ready for a new pad or a different grit, just swap it out for a new one. Remember, always wear your eye protection and your dust mask when you're using the tool. When cutting, make sure you keep your hands well away from the blade path and don't force the tool, let it do the work. Keep the line steady and let the blade oscillate through at its own pace. Use firm, even pressure and keep this pad flat when sanding. So that's just a quick guide on how to set up and use this Lumberjack XP Series multi-tool. Whether you're renovating, repairing or trimming an awkward spot, this thing can be a real lifesaver. You can check out the link in the description to pick one of these up for yourself. If you want to see more of my videos, head over to the Renovation Dan channel. If you found this video useful, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you've got any questions, leave them down in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe to the Lumberjack YouTube channel for more helpful tool guides.